Hey guys, welcome to my second cooking video. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make steamed egg, or in Korean it would be called Gyeran-Jjim. It's a small side dish that goes along well with other small side dishes, and it serves about 1 to 2 people. It's a very light dish. My mom used to cook it for me when I was a kid growing up, and I would say most Korean moms know how to cook it. It's really easy. It takes a total of 20 minutes to cook, and it's a small side dish that's actually really delicious as well. So the way that I'm about to show you is the way that I like to have my Gyeran-Jjim. This is the way that suits my taste buds, so I'll be showing you guys that. Hope you guys will like it, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay? I personally like my Gyeran-Jjim with anchovy broth, but you can cook it using chicken broth or water. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be making more videos like this in the future, so subscribe to my channel and I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, bye.